Well, Lafayette teachers and retirees could soon see an increase in their insurance premiums after a big decision by the Lafayette Parish School Board tonight. Now, the board voted to approve a 5% premium increase to insurance plans for active employees and a 15% increase for retirees. The added cost would go into effect July 1st of this year. There would also be an increase in deductibles effective January 1st of 2025. The board also approved a district mandate for Medicare Parts A and B. News 10's Britt Lafaso was at the meeting. She tells us more about the changes LPSS expects to save money.
It was certainly a packed house at the school board meeting Wednesday night. Nearly every chair inside was filled with retired educators.
The salaries are not what they are in the private sector, and so insurance takes on a much greater importance.
The health insurance premium increase comes on the heels of a deficit LPSS's self-funded insurance program is facing.
This has happened in previous years, and it's been taken care of. And I think the retiree, like somebody said, was assured that they would have insurance, for the duration. And I think we need to stick to that.
Former Superintendent Bernell Lemoyne says retirees gave many years of service to LPSS, and they need to be taken care of, and he believes this plan is reasonable and will do that.
These people have dedicated themselves for many, many, many years.
Superintendent Francis Touchette says it was not an easy decision, but he supports the board's vote to increase the health insurance premiums. He adds the board will do what they have to do to make sure LPSS has a balanced budget.
We are having a financial crunch here in Lafayette Parish, and we do have to scrub our budget, and we have to do everything we can. And insurance is one piece, but there's other things as far as loss of enrollment. There's things outside of that we have to look at it, and as a totality, we have to make what's best for making sure that teaching and learning is happening in the classroom.
Reporting in Lafayette, Britt Lafaso, KLFY News 10.